Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P16BB, refers to the Alternator B terminal circuit indicating low voltage, specifically in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This code signifies that there is a voltage issue detected in the B terminal of the alternator, which plays a critical role in charging the vehicle's battery and maintaining the electrical system's functionality. The alternator is responsible for converting mechanical energy to electrical energy, replenishing the battery while powering electrical devices when the engine is running. A consistently low voltage reading might affect vehicle performance, leading to symptoms like dimming lights or issues with starting. The B terminal connects the alternator to the vehicle's electrical system and battery, making it essential to diagnose any disruptions in this circuit. Please ensure to follow the outlined troubleshooting steps carefully to resolve this issue. DTC P16BB indicates low voltage in the Alternator B terminal circuit, which is critical for the operation of the vehicle's electrical system. The alternator, located at the front of the engine compartment, is responsible for charging the battery while the engine runs and powering electrical components. The ACG plus B terminal connects the alternator to the battery, enabling the flow of electrical power. When the B terminal experiences low voltage, it may hinder the alternator from effectively charging the battery, leading to performance issues. Other components that might be affected include the battery itself, which stores electrical energy and supplies it to the vehicle when needed. Understanding this DTC is vital for troubleshooting steps and repairs needed to restore proper functionality. Several factors can contribute to the occurrence of DTC P16BB. One common issue is poor connections at the alternator or the 12-volt battery. These could be corroded connections that hinder the electrical flow. Loose terminals can also lead to intermittent contact, resulting in fluctuating voltage levels. Additionally, there may be an open circuit within the ACG plus B wire that links the alternator to the battery, which can cause voltage drops. A thorough examination of these components is essential for accurate diagnosis. Identifying and rectifying these issues can likely resolve the low voltage problem indicated by DTC P16BB. When DTC P16BB is present, several symptoms may become evident. One prominent sign is dimming headlights, which can indicate that the vehicle's electrical system is struggling to maintain voltage. Drivers might also experience starting difficulties due to issues with the battery not receiving a proper charge from the alternator. Additionally, various electrical components might malfunction or perform incorrectly, such as the air conditioning system or radio. These symptoms can fluctuate, making it crucial to address the detected DTC promptly. Awareness of these signs can assist in identifying the source of the problem quickly. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P16BB, the initial task is problem verification. This involves turning the vehicle to on mode and using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs. Once cleared, the vehicle should be turned off and the engine started again. It's essential to run the vehicle under specific conditions. The air conditioning should be on. Temperature control must be at maximum cool. The blower fan should be set to maximum speed. Headlights on high beam and rear window defogger engaged. Holding the engine speed at 2000 RPM without load for 1 minute allows for testing the alternator under consistent demands. After these steps, the technician should check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS, which helps determine if the issue persists. The second troubleshooting step focuses on the ACG plus B terminal check. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is again in the off lock mode. Then, closely inspect the connections and terminals at both the alternator and the 12-volt battery. Poor or corroded connections can impede electrical flow, leading to low voltage readings and the appearance of DTC P16BB. If no issues are found, such as damaged or loose connections, proceed to the next step. However, if connections are indeed faulty, they must be repaired or replaced to restore proper functionality to the electrical system. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P16BB, the focus shifts to checking the ACG plus B wire for any potential opens. This involves inspecting the wire between the alternator and the 12-volt battery located within the engine harness. If the wire is found to be intact without any faults, the next course of action is to replace the alternator itself, as it may not be functioning properly. However, if an open circuit is detected, it is critical to repair the ACG plus B wire to restore connectivity and voltage flow. Proper diagnosis in this step is crucial to ensure the alternator can effectively charge the battery without interruptions. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P16BB, the final repair verification is essential to ensure that the vehicle operates properly. This involves returning to the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to confirm that the previous DTC has been cleared and does not reappear. Subsequently, a comprehensive test of the electrical system should be conducted, including monitoring the alternator's output, battery behavior, and all affected electrical components. It's also advisable to replicate the conditions that initially triggered the DTC to guarantee the issue has been wholly resolved. This verification step is instrumental in confirming the effectiveness of the repairs made and ensuring the long-term reliability of the vehicle's electrical system. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P16BB. Regular inspections of the alternator, its terminals, and the battery connections can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Ensuring the terminals are clean and securely connected prevents the voltage drops that can activate this DTC. Additionally, periodic checks on the car's battery health, including testing its voltage and load capacity, can ensure that it is functioning effectively. Keeping the vehicle's electrical system well maintained through routine service can prolong the life of both the battery and the alternator, thereby reducing the risk of future faults. In summary, troubleshooting DTC P16BB involves a structured approach, beginning with problem verification and thorough inspections of connections and wiring. Each step confirms that the alternator and battery are functioning as they should, highlighting the critical role of the ACG plus B wire in maintaining system voltage. Properly identifying symptoms related to low voltage can lead to timely repairs, minimizing disruptions in vehicle performance. This repair process emphasizes the importance of preventive maintenance to avoid future DTC occurrences. Understanding and addressing the components involved will maintain the electrical system's reliability and enhance the longevity of your Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.